In this video, we'll see how we can add video in products in WooCommerce for free. Currently, you can see these are video which are auto playing it, and you can add if you want to give control or resize it. You can do all these things for free. Let's go how we can do it. And before starting, I just want to say please subscribe to my channel. Here I am logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now to add video in product pages, like by default you can see in product page there is no option to add videos in your gallery images of products. So what we'll do, we'll install plugin and then set up the feature of video upload inside product. Okay, like whenever someone open the product with images, gallery images, you can see videos. So let's go how we can do it. So we need to install, here you can see video gallery for WooCommerce. We will install and set up it. Yeah, so let's activate. Now plugin is activated. Now there is some basic setting of plugin. If you want to change, you can change. If you want to show icon, you can select icon color, you can set show video control option, that you want to give video control option in your product page. The video will end and repeat. Okay, the video will be muted fully, autoplay the video. Show video first in product gallery. If you want to show video first, you can enable through this option. Adjust the video files according to the theme. If you want to enable it, you can save it. For now, I just leave the basic setting. First, I will try to add a video in a product and let's see how it will look. Here you can see this is my product in video gallery. Here you can see upload media. Here I have already added a video. I will just select it, insert. Now if I want to add multiple video, I can upload my own video and then add it. Here video will be uploaded. I can even add 2 videos if I want. Yeah, I will see. Here you can see 2 video added. For now I would just want to show you with 1 video. Just preview changes. Now here you can see first image is this. Now when I go to second image, here you can see video is showing. You can see height of image is bigger because it is not adjusted as of gallery size. Okay, if you want to adjust it, you can see here there are multiple sound. Here you can see sound size. I want to adjust it the same size, and even I can add multiple video if I want to. Okay, so let's see. I want to adjust the size of video and remove the control. What I will do, I will go on setting, WooCommerce, and go to videos gallery setting. Here you can see this I have option to show or hide control, and there is option to adjust. I will enable these 2 features. Now I will go to front end, refresh it. Now here you can see this is my first, second. Now you can see no control and video file is adjusted. You can see it was very high, height was very long. Now it's similar to images. You can change the height of video as per your requirement. That's the basic setting. Okay, if you want to add multiple video, you can also add it. Like go to video gallery. If you want to add another video, here you can see 2 videos are added and they both are autoplay. So that's why you can easily add video in your products in WooCommerce for free. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.